Are you feeling better?
You feeling better? Huh?
So you feeling better now?
Oh, yeah, yes.
I'll take you there tomorrow, okay, if you're feeling better.
Maybe once Karen starts feeling better.
I'm kind of feeling better now.
I need you to wear a surgical mask until you're feeling better. Is that okay?
That's rude. Give my love to your mom, honey. So glad she's feeling better.
I will. Thanks.
Damn.
No, that's feeling better.
As soon as you step outside that door, you'll start feeling better.
Are you feeling better then?
Was my horse alive, or did you eat it?
I sold it.
Feeling better? Yeah, better. Good.
How you doing? You feeling better?
Approximately 70% percent repaired.
Are you feeling better?
Yes, no thanks to you. It's like I have an iron constitution.
Are you feeling better?
Yes, thank you. You are so good at it. Where did you learn that?
Are you feeling better?
What?
If you missed my class, you must be deathly ill.
Andrea, are you feeling better about daycare?
A little. Maybe.
Hey, Augie. You feeling better? Are you okay, Augie? Yeah.
My palpitations are gone. What did you do?
I didn't do anything.
Call me Catherine.
Catherine, I'm glad you're feeling better.
I went down to her room. There was blood everywhere. But she was just sat there, calm. She said she was feeling better.
Good to see you feeling better.